Okay, so we got our pup yesterday, not even 24 hours ago, and we are taking them up to a ski lodge up on Mount Hood. I'm gonna go snowboarding. Courtney's gonna hang back at the lodge with the pup for a little while. So he's gonna learn what we're about pretty quick here. In his destiny to become the ultimate adventure pup. So he gets to see what snow's like for the first time today.
Yeah, stay tuned for that.
That's cool.
So,
Might even go snowboarding with him.
and there we go. We'll have fun. So far, we have already sat in our water bowl, and now we're trying to get the water off. It's going well.
Okay, I'm about to go up.
Go for it.
Okay. Bye, little buddy. Bye, Wrangler. I'll see you in a little bit. Little tyke.
Your thing is like flying over there.
What's flying? Thanks. Can't remember what side it goes on.
Other side.
Alright, I'm gonna go pee and go snowboard for a little while. I got my phone with me. Hey, what's up? What's that, little boy? Hey, buddy.
You've not been in the snow yet. All snug.
All snug.
Yeah, he's just chilling.
He's gonna be the best snowboarder ever. He's gonna be the greatest snowboarder of all time.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is. It's not shaking or anything. Seems to be warm.
I mean, the inside of my jacket is 50. Okay. Let's go, buddy. Time to get out. Not sure what to think, huh? Wrangler. Hi, buddy. Well, easy on the leash. That's good. Good boy. Come here.
Board going snowboarding? Yeah, he is.
A leg in there.
Here, hold the board. Let him come down and be like 3 feet.
See if I can snap it in. Yeah. Oh, buddy.
Ooh. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Oh. Stay a little bit.
Hey, buddy. I would appreciate it if you didn't do that. Maybe. Yeah. Ooh, big yawn. It's a big boy yawn. Come here, Wrangler. Yeah, come here, buddy. Hey, buddy. Buddy. Cold out here for you, isn't it?
All right, we can head out. Ready to go home, Wrangler?